A huge snowstorm is proving to be a disruptive force at airports across much of the Northeast. More than 7,000 flights have already been canceled through tomorrow, and those numbers are expected to get worse. Travelers trying to leave the East Coast before the storm were just as likely to end up in a long line to get rebooked as they were trying to make it out to just about anywhere.
Minneapolis, and then Minneapolis to Atlanta, and then Atlanta to Jacksonville, but now there's been a misconnect. So I might be stranded in Minneapolis.
More than 80% of flights out of Boston for Monday are already canceled. The FAA warned of significant impacts in New York, Philadelphia, Washington, and as far south as Atlanta due to gusty winds.